What's up, YouTube? And today we're playing Cannon Shot. See that? Cannon Shot. So, yeah. Definitely 8:30 a.m. in the morning. And, yeah. So, yeah. Gotta wait. Then we can play. No. First, you're gonna tap it all over here. That's right. Right. Level 1 completed. Right. The one. Okay. Very good. Wow. Okay. Got 1 star. Get this ad. Petco. Petco. I know I definitely need pets. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Oh. Wow. Wow. And go fuller. Boss fight. Time for boss fight. Huh. Yeah. Wow. You're not. Enough for this. I think push them off. Yeah. I'm not gonna download that. Hold to shoot. Ah. Huh. Okay. Here's the monster. We have to shoot the monster until we kill. Oh, the monster. Goodbye, monster. Unit bro. Okay. So, guys, thanks for watching and see you soon. See you tomorrow.